Independent Director Section 247. An independent director refers to a director of a company who does not have any material or pecuniary relationship with the company, its promoters, its management, or its subsidiaries that may affect their independence, is neither a promoter nor related to promoters or management at the board level, does not hold 2% or more of the company's voting shares, is not a key managerial personnel or an employee of the company or its holding, subsidiary, or associate company. Key characteristics of independent directors. 1. Independence criteria. No material relationship. Independent directors must maintain independence from the company and its management, ensuring impartiality and objectivity in decision-making. Financial independence. They should not have financial ties or significant business relationships with the company that could compromise their impartiality. Non-executive role. They serve in a non-executive capacity and are not involved in day-to-day management or operations of the company. 2. Role and responsibilities. Governance oversight. Independent directors play a critical role in corporate governance, providing oversight, strategic guidance, and monitoring of management actions to safeguard shareholder interests. Committee participation. They often serve on board committees, such as audit, nomination, and remuneration committees, to review and recommend policies, ensure regulatory compliance, and enhance board effectiveness. Risk management. Independent directors contribute to risk assessment, mitigation strategies, and corporate responsibility initiatives, promoting ethical practices and sustainable business practices. 3. Legal and regulatory compliance. Companies Act, 2013. Independent directors are appointed and governed under specific provisions of the Companies Act, 2013, which mandates their roles, qualifications, tenure, remuneration, and responsibilities. SEBI Regulations. Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, guidelines also prescribe criteria and standards for independence, qualifications, and conduct of independent directors in listed companies to enhance transparency and corporate governance. Importance and contributions. 1. Enhanced board diversity. Independent directors bring diverse expertise, perspectives, and industry knowledge to board discussions, facilitating informed decision-making and strategic planning. 2. Stakeholder confidence. Their presence enhances stakeholder confidence by ensuring board independence, integrity, and accountability in corporate decision-making processes. 3. Conflict resolution. Independent directors mitigate conflicts of interest, promote fairness in transactions, and uphold ethical standards, thereby fostering trust among shareholders, regulators, and the wider community.